What's up, everybody? Back here with another story for you guys. Right now I'm on my way to Fulton County Courthouse to do something I've never had to do in this business before, which is file an affidavit. Let's see what this says. File an affidavit affecting title to real property. Just got that document from my attorney, got it notarized, and now I'm heading to the courthouse to file it. I have a property under contract that I just recently got under contract, maybe a couple of weeks ago. It was a totally fire damaged property. It was on the same street of another house that I wholesaled. Found this property. Again, total loss. If it wasn't a full 4-side brick structure, it would have burned down to the ground. But because it was brick, the outside structure was saved, but everything inside is totally destroyed. The roof caved in. I skip traced the owner. I called her. This is like maybe 2 weeks before Christmas holiday. She said it was so fresh. The fire was so fresh, she's not really sure what she wants to do. And I should give her a call after the holidays. I traveled to New York for the holidays. I came back, called her after the holidays, and she said she does want to sell. I made her an offer based on what the land was worth, pretty much. She said that they couldn't afford to fix the property, and I don't believe that they had insurance on the house. It was just a really touchy situation. She was like, didn't even want to talk about it. But she said they couldn't afford to fix it up, and she wants to sell it, but she wants to try to get enough money because all her kids and everybody wants some of the money. So we finally agreed to a number of $20,000 for the house. She said she was gonna. First we went to $15,000. She said she wanted more money. We got it up to $20,000. She said she still wanted to think about it for a minute. Gave her a couple of days. I didn't call her back. She called me back. Said she was ready to go. Because initially her kids were trying to see if they could get more money for it. So she called me back, said they were ready to go. I sent her over a contract. She sent it back signed. A couple of days later, I signed it to an end buyer, got an earnest money deposit, submitted that to the attorney. Everything's in the works. Just Friday, today's Monday now, just on Friday, my attorney calls me and says, Brent, you should give your seller a call, because I called her to get the information that we need, and she sounds like she's not wanting to sell anymore. I don't know why, but you should give her a call. So I called the seller, and she goes, yeah, you said the attorney was going to call me in a couple of days, and I'm just hearing from them. I just probably like 8-9 days later. We have until, today's February 25th, I have until like March 26th to close on this property. And she said, I had some questions and I couldn't reach you. I couldn't get answered. I told her, I said, look, miss, I didn't have any missed calls from you. I would have absolutely called you back. I'm very on top of my calls, especially my real estate phone calls, my separate line for my real estate business. So I said, what questions did you have unanswered that I didn't answer for you? She said, I'll tell you what, you know what? I don't want to sell the house no more. And she hung up the phone on me. Man, I couldn't believe it. Oh, before she hung up the phone on me, she also said that her kids decided they want to put their money together now and fix the property themselves. Then she said that and hung up on me. So I'm totally fine if her kids are able to pull some money together and fix the house up. I'm not trying to take a property from a family. If her kids fix the house up and they're able to keep it, that is an ideal situation for me. Trust me, I would not want somebody to lose their house when they have an opportunity to keep it and fix it themselves. But why I'm filing this affidavit is because I don't want for her to just cancel my contract and turn around and sell it to someone else who may have offered her a couple $1,000s more. That's what I'm concerned about, and that's why I'm filing this. So again, if her kids are able to fix up the property and they're able to keep it, no harm, no foul. I won't be looking for anything from them. If they sell a house in 10, 20 years from now, it's all good. But if they try to turn around and sell a house next month, next couple of months, next year, no, then we have to honor this agreement that we have in place. So that's what's happening right now. I'm on my way downtown, Fulton County Courthouse, Atlanta, Georgia. If anyone has experienced this before, been through this before, done this before, been on the opposite end of having an affidavit filed and notice that came up on title when you try to close a deal, or if you filed this yourself and it helped you and prevented them from selling it to another from another investor, and it really did come around and protect you. I'd like to know everyone's input. Please feel free to comment below. Definitely looking forward to people's input, because again, this is my first time having to do this. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know how it goes. I will keep you posted. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you guys soon.